I'm Steve Townsend from TagMaster UK, and my role is dealing with sales and marketing of our key ANPR products across the UK, focusing on the parking market. TagMaster is a tech company that designs and markets sensor-based systems. Our headquarters is based in Stockholm, Sweden, but we also have offices in UK, France, and the USA. In basically TagMaster for the parking market, the key product that I work on is ANPR. We have ANPR cameras designed for parking, whether that's for integrating with barrier control systems for access control for security, or integrating with parking ticket systems where we read a plate and then send that data to an external ticket system from a company manufacturing ticket machines or barriers. We also work with free flow parking where there is no barrier in the car park at all. So we're reading a plate on the entrance, reading a plate on the exit, send that to a back office system with the date and time of the entry, date and time of the exit. So really any application designed for parking with ANPR, that's what we're really working with in the UK here. Plus we also have RFID tags, which comes from our parent company TagMaster in Stockholm, where there's a tag on the vehicle and a reader by a barrier. That's also used for access control and security, but what I focus on in the UK is ANPR. The CT45 is an intelligence ANPR camera. That means all the ANPR reading and processing is carried out in the camera head as opposed to on a separate PC. The key points really that are different, I think, about the CT45 is we've tried to make it very easy to install. We say a 5-minute setup with an easy-to-use menu for installers to use. It has a motorized zoom lens with autofocus. That means that instead of having to choose which range of reading you need before you go to site, you can actually adjust the camera read range on site. That again makes installation more straightforward because if the installer needs to tweak the installation, they can do that on site in situ. And also, it just gives a lot of flexibility. It makes the installation more straightforward. So one camera fits all solutions really, whether it's short range barrier control or longer range free flow traffic, we can do that with one camera. The camera will also run off PoE+, which means that installation can be more straightforward. You don't need a separate power supply. We have a Linux operating system, which is stable and secure. There's no licensing issues with that. The camera actually also has Wi-Fi access, so an engineer can access the camera locally with Wi-Fi for setup or to check the camera, rather than having to climb a ladder to do that. So again, that's something a bit different. And the key thing really is our recognition software. TagMaster UK came from a company called CitySync, and we've been developing and manufacturing ANPR recognition software for 20 years. So the recognition rate we can get with our camera is very, very good. And if we can capture more plates, that should mean more revenue. So that the key point, I think, with our product as well as the technical hardware side is the excellent recognition software. ANPR is a key important segment to TagMaster. I mean, TagMaster does deal in RFID and other sensor-based systems, but ANPR, particularly for the parking market, is very important to us. And we're going to continue to invest in both our software recognition engine and also developing new hardware. There'll be more new cameras coming out later on this year, but in the future, focusing on cameras really to give benefit to the parking industry. So focusing on excellent recognition rates, straightforward setup, and moving forward from there. So there's no specific product I will talk about on new developments, but we are always looking to the future and always looking to develop new products and improve our recognition.